Welcome to this comprehensive guide to STX, the innovative cryptocurrency exchange platform that is designed for both beginners and experienced traders. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at STEX's features and show you how to navigate the platform effectively. We'll start by exploring the homepage, where you'll find an overview of available markets, recent price trends, and the most traded coins. The navigation bar provides quick access to essential sections like trading, wallets, and support. To get started, you'll need to create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button, entering your details, and completing the verification process for full access to the platform's features. Once your account is set up, the dashboard becomes your central hub. Here, you can manage your portfolio, monitor market trends, and execute trades. The trading interface is straightforward, featuring detailed charts powered by TradingView, which lets you analyze market movements and set advanced trading options like limit orders, stop loss, and take profit. Before trading, you'll need to deposit funds. Navigate to the Wallet section, search for the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and generate a wallet address. You can also deposit fiat currency, depending on your region and payment methods supported by the platform. Once funded, you're ready to trade. Select a trading pair, analyze the charts, and execute your trades with precision. STX also offers additional features such as staking programs for passive income and API integration for automated trading solutions. Make sure to check out these options if you want to enhance your trading strategy. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. STX prioritizes security with robust measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for user funds. The platform also features a responsive support team available via live chat or email, ensuring your trading experience is smooth and secure. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading or simply looking for a reliable platform with diverse features, STX is an excellent choice. Explore its intuitive design and tools to take your crypto journey to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos and give this video a like if you found it helpful.